Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Moto Ma Tire Leader Shop.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, ang order ko rito is clutch spring tsaka center spring. Parehong 1K RPM.
Hindi, wow.
Kasi meron na akong 1.2 RPM. So titestingin ko yung 1K RPM. So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Yung dati kong ginamit guys is galing kay Rev Action. So ito kasi ibang seller eh. So tinesting ko lang. Uy, naka bubble wrap. So ito guys, yung brand niya is 1101. So guys, ito yung center spring. Ito yung clutch spring. So 1000 RPM. Same sila, 1000 RPM. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.